Hi everybody, it's Tamara again from Beauty Elements. We have an unboxing for you today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see our upcoming products and our new releases. Stay tuned. So today's product is from our Destiny Brazilian wig line, and it is Sassy Janet in 10 inches. This is a beautiful wig. Let's open the pack and see what's inside. So it's 100% virgin Remy hair. It is an ear-to-ear, so it is a frontal wig. This is a 13 by 4 wig. So you have free part. So you can part this as in any direction you want. If you want to do a middle part or a side part, it is achievable. It's going to be 13 inches across and 4 inches in the middle. Again, it's 100% human hair. It does come with these beautiful curls already in the wig. You can call this like a barrel curl or a ringlet curl. This is very lovely because once you style it, the curl will remain the same. You can bleach and dye this hair as you would like. You can wash and also reuse. It does come with 3 combs placed on the inside, 2 on the side, and a longer one on the back. It is considered a glueless wig because we did add our elastic band, and we also have adjustable straps. So you can tighten the wig to the circumference of your head for a more secure hold. The cap is breathable, so it is a mesh cap that is breathable, and it is very stretchy, so it will form around your head perfectly. Moving on to Sassy Amara, 8 inches. And again, it is from our Destiny Brazilian wig line. It is an ear-to-ear lace wig. It does have that HD lace that is on it, so it matches many skin tones. One thing I like about this wig and also our Sassy Janet is that our knots are very small. So once you bleach this wig and you put it on, it's going to be undetectable. Again, it does come with the 13 by 4 lace, 13 across, 4 inches in the middle. It's also considered a free part, so you can do your center part or your side part. It is unprocessed hair, so you can actually bleach this as you would like. It does come with a subtle curl pattern, or you can call this a wave. It does come with an elastic band. It is not adjustable, but it is considered a glueless wig because of this elastic band. If you don't want it, feel free to cut it off and apply glue. But this is just to help your wig stay secure and snug to the head without applying glue. Again, it does come with the 3 combs, so 2 on the side and 1 in the back. We also have the adjustable straps that all of our wigs come with. And again, because this is human hair, you can wash this hair as you like and you can reuse it. That's the beauty of purchasing human hair. On to the next wig. This is our Sassy Love in the length 6 inches. Again, you do get that beautiful HD transparent lace that blends in very well with any skin complexion. Again, the inside of this lace is a 13 by 4 free part, and you know the drift, you can part it any way you would like. This one actually has 4 combs. So this has 4 combs. You get 2 on the outer ends, you get 1 in the center, and 1 at the back. Again, it is a glueless wig because you have the elastic band attached to the wig, making this wig a glueless wig. The cap is mesh and very stretchy, so it fits all sizes. You do have your adjustable straps in the back that you can position it to tighten the wig as you would like. And this curl pattern is very beautiful. It does have that ringlet curl pattern on a shorter, more fluffy, voluminous style. So this is perfect for any mature woman or somebody that just doesn't like a lot of hair. This wig will keep you very cool, and it's very lightweight and comfortable. Perfect for the summer months. Thank you guys for watching, and these are our 3 lovely wigs from our Sassy collection. Our Sassy Janet 10-inch, our Sassy Love 6-inch, and our Sassy Amara 8 inches. Get yours today at your local beauty supply store and be on the lookout for Destiny Wigs.